How to build out high level for affiliate marketing. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you just how to do this by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to set up a sales funnel for affiliate marketing in high level. Number two, how to set up webhooks for affiliate marketing in high level. And finally, number three, how to set up a course and a free community in high level to help drive more affiliate sales. So I'm going to hop out of here and into my sub account for HighLevel Insiders, which is my basically affiliate sub account and community for driving affiliate sales for high level. So over here, I'm on my launch pad. First things first, I'd want to create some kind of landing page to gather leads, or perhaps a bonus page or something like this that shows all the bonuses I'm giving to my affiliates under my affiliate link who sign up for high level. So I'd want to probably create something from scratch there first. So I'm going to head over to sites. Under sites, I have a couple things. I have HighLevel Insiders, which is basically my mastermind community for anyone who gets high level through me, that gets access to essentially all the bonuses. But then I also have a sales funnel here that is for the bonuses themselves. So what's really the difference? One, this one with HighLevel Insiders just sells the HighLevel Insiders membership, where you can either pay for it if you already have high level through another affiliate, or you can get in through HighLevel Insiders completely free if you sign up as an affiliate through me, or you get your own Marketing Engines A.I account through me, which is my white label version of high level. High level bonuses essentially includes HighLevel Insiders and any additional bonuses beyond that that I advertise publicly to get access to from, say, YouTube or Threads or Twitter or Facebook or X or whatever the case may be. So high level bonuses is the one I'm going to show you here first and foremost. Basically, I have an opt-in page that looks like this. So I'm going to bring this page up so you can see it. I have an opt-in for all the different social media accounts that I have it established at, so that I can track where leads come from. But basically it just says high-level bonuses, discover the most powerful all-in-one software solution ever created to empower your online empire. Get instant access to all $17,899.60 of my training programs, workshops, digital assets, and proprietary engines to build profitable and scalable business just for giving high-level a try. And of course, you know, I've got this rated 4.9 out of 5 by hundreds of HighLevel's happy customers. And then we have this call to action. Yes, sign me up for the 30-day free trial of HighLevel. And then it says, don't wait, use HighLevel free trial with my training programs, workshops, digital assets, proprietary engines, start building your business right now. And that opens up this pop-up here, which basically says, yes, I want to try HighLevel and get access to Kerry's bonuses. And then it has a form that I'm asking for their name, email, phone number, and of course, there's a call to action button there to submit the information. Once they do that, they are taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that looks like this. So it says same thing, high level, discover the most. It has the same headline. Everything's the same kind of here. The difference is this button will actually open this up and say try HighLevel now for free. Explains what to do. Of course, I have my Marketing Engines A.I, which is my white label SaaS version here. So if you want to sign up for that, you can do so. If you don't, then we have links below where you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel Starter Agency Plan, or extend your trial of HighLevel Starter Agency Plan, or start your 14-day trial of the SaaS Pro Plan, or upgrade to the HighLevel Agency Plan, or upgrade to the SaaS Pro Plan, or upgrade to the HighLevel Annual Plan. So this is the first step in building out HighLevel for affiliate marketing, is coming up with your bonuses, creating some sort of page for advertising those bonuses, some videos, etc. if you want to do all that. I have a video here, then I have a bunch of information below that, and you can see this page live in action at the link below this video. All right, so that's step one. That answers question one. Question two is we have this thing called setting up webhooks, right? And so if we go into automation, we have a folder that is called HighLevel Affiliate Program Webhooks right here. And then inside of here, we've got these different steps, right? And step one is lead subscribed on, filled out step one of step two, of two-step order form. Then we have step two, lead sign up, on started trial period, basically. Then we have step 3, lead becomes, referral on, trial period ended. And then we have 3B for the SaaS Pro because it has to be done differently. And then we have step 4, reward created. That means I was paid an affiliate commission. And then we have step 5, lead canceled. So if they cancel, we get notified. And then we have 5B, which is the SaaS Pro canceled. So basically we have 5 steps, and then we have 3B and 5B for SaaS Pro. All right, so each one of these automations, and HighLevel has all the documentation for this to get this set up from the get-go, but they have an inbound webhook, it's called. So if I open that up, you're going to see a bunch of stuff that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But the bottom line is, when you create a trigger for inbound webhook, it creates this URL that you will get, and then you have to use the directions that they provide. And let me see if I can pull that page up for you. Okay, so you need to go to this page. I just went to Google and typed in HighLevel Webhooks Affiliate Program, and it was the first result. And the result comes to this page: how to set up affiliate program of webhooks to run automations for first promoter. And it gives you all the information. There's a 10-minute walkthrough video, and you have to use something called Postman, and it's really easy to set up. You just follow these steps, but these are the different steps, right? And these are the steps I just showed you. Step 1, lead subscribed on. Step 2, lead sign up on. Step 3, lead becomes a referral on. Step 4, reward create on. Step 5, lead canceled on. And you have to take this example and paste it into Postman. And if you don't know what Postman is, again, just watch the video. It'll tell you everything you need to know. And then it kind of gives you some more steps below here to fully understand it. So again, I'm not going to go into all the details in this video on this. I may do another video separately to really show you how it's all set up from scratch. But since they've got it well documented, I feel like that's just being redundant. So we don't want to really waste your time doing that. So if we come back here, that's what this is, okay? And then you do this contact created, and basically you're using these inbound webhooks to fill in the full name, email, and phone that have been submitted through a HighLevel form that you've sent out to people with your affiliate link associated to it. And then you get an internal notification if you set this up this way, where I'm sending myself an email basically saying a new lead has just completed step 1 of a 2-step order form to sign up for HighLevel, basically on the HighLevel website. And then I am doing another internal notification for that. I'm adding a tag. I am going and enabling, disabling D&D, removing a tag from unsubscribed, adding a tag for my newsletter, going ahead and updating an opportunity to lead, adding a note, waiting a couple hours, and it says, does the contact have GHL trial tag? If yes, they fall out. If it sends an email that says, oops, it looks like you missed something, basically 2 hours later if they didn't actually start their trial, and sends them back to HighLevel to sign up. So that's the step 1. Each of these flows works very similar in nature, just different actions are happening based on where the lead is in the customer journey of signing up for HighLevel. Okay, so that's what all these are. So that's answer to your question number 2. The third and final question was about setting up a free course and free community, because I think it's important to let folks into your world that are interested in HighLevel specifically, even if they have or have not signed up for HighLevel yet, which is something you can do. You don't have to, but you can. And so you would go to memberships, and then within memberships, you'll land on courses first. And I suggest creating a product, which will be your first course. I have a bunch of different SOPs. I have my engines from all of my Marketing Engines A.I stuff. Plus I have this like HighLevel agency masterclass for beginners. And then of course the HighLevel masterclass for beginners who are just in a plain old starter plan or a sub account, right? So you can create your own course. You can make it free. And then you can create a community around that. So groups, and I have HighLevel Insiders as my community. And then when I go into my community, so I'm inside of my community, if I go to the Learning tab, I can add courses here and I can make them free. And so right now you can get access to all these courses for free if you're inside of my HighLevel Insiders community, which obviously is a either paid plan if you want to join it and you're an affiliate under someone else's affiliate link, or if you join my affiliate link, you get access to all this for free. But you could create a public group instead of a private group that's 100% free that you can give people access to kind of get a taste for, you know, who you are, what your community is like, and or learn something from you about HighLevel in general if you created a course and gave it away for free. So that's pretty much how you can build out HighLevel for affiliate marketing to resell HighLevel. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video. As always, if you have any further questions regarding anything I just discussed, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video and I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine. Plus, there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.